Today's lesson is lesson 94, using estimation when dividing by two-digit numbers. So here I have the number 59 divided by 19. Remember, back in lesson 72, we learned the first digit trick, which is that you take the first digit of the number and see how many times it can go into the first digit of your dividend. So we try dividing that. So we look, and 1 can go into 5 times. So what we can try to do is we can say, okay, well, what's 19 times 5? And 19 times 5 happens to be 95. And 95 is obviously much bigger than 59. So we know that it can't be 5 times. So the first digit trick just doesn't work in this case. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to estimate to help us figure out, well, how many times does 19 go into 59? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to round it. So 19 rounds up to 20 and 59 rounds up to 60. Now I can use that first digit trick. I think, how many times does 2 go into 6? And it's 3 times. So now I'm going to think, okay, well, what is 19 times 3? 3 times 9 is 27, carry my 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 57 is less than 59, so I know that 19 goes in 59 3 times. I go ahead and subtract that, and I have 2 left over. So my answer is going to be 3 remainder 2. All right, so I can do the same trick again here. I already know that I can't do the first digit trick because 1 can go into 5 times, but 19 cannot go into 59 5 times. So instead I'm going to again estimate. I'm going to think, okay, well, 19, I'm going to take the first 2 digits. So I'm going to see 19 rounds up to 20 and 59 rounds up to 60. And I do the first digit trick thinking, okay, how many times can 2 go into 6? That's 3. So 19 should go into 59 3 times. And again, if we do 19 times 3, we end up with 57. So I take 59 and minus 57. I end up having 2 left over. I bring down the 5. And I think, okay, 19 can go into 25. How many times? Well, I know that it can only go into it 1 time. So 19 times 1 is 19. Subtract. I can't take 9 away from 5, so we borrow. 2 becomes a 1. 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So I cannot do anything else. So my answer is going to be 31. I have a remainder. So it's going to be 31, remainder 6. Okay, and that's all for this lesson. Good luck.